Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to explore ways to use the ping command on a network to make sure that everything's connected correctly and that the packets are being sent and received correctly. So, a small business owner learns that the use of PC2 is unable to access a website. All PCs are configured with static IP addressing. Okay, so we're going to use the ping command to identify the issue. So he said that that PC2 is unable to access. So we're going to access the desktop web browser on each PC and type the URL Cisco Learn. Identify any PCs that are not connecting. So we'll start with one. And that address was cisco.learn. I have to look it up here real quick. ciscolearnmore.com. Go ahead and copy, paste that into my URL. Make sure this computer is connecting correctly. So we went to Cisco Learn, and it says, "Welcome to Packet Tracer 4.1, the best thing since Packet Tracer 4.0." So it appears that this computer is connecting correctly. Go ahead and close that one out. We'll move on to the next PC, PC2. Go to our desktop again. Go to our web browser. And again, we're going to type in that URL and see if it connects correctly. And it takes a second here. The PCs have to boot up, and hopefully we get connectivity here. Host name unresolved. That means that this one, PC2, is not connecting to our network. We'll go ahead and continue now that we know PC2 is one that's not connecting. We'll go to PC3, desktop, web browser, see if this one will connect. And boom, this one went straight to Welcome to Packet Tracer 4.1. So we've got connectivity on PC 1 and 3 thus far, none on 2. So we'll go to 4. Go to our web browser. And we've got connectivity on PC 4, it looks like. So the only one thus far is PC 2. So we're going to go ahead and ping the web server from PC 2. We're going to access the command prompt. We're going to ping Cisco Learn. And I'm assuming it's not going to return a reply if I had to bet money on it. And we're just waiting to see if it gets a reply. I'm assuming it's going to take a while, as it did to access last time. So this may be a second. we didn't get a reply at all. So we're going to go to PC1 since we know it had web connectivity. Open it up. And we're going to go ahead and ping from this PC, see what kind of reply we get. And it says it's ping 192.152.2.10. So that means that ciscolearn.more.com is IP address is this here. So we just learned its IP address without even connecting or opening up the website. So we're going to close that out. So we're going to ping the IP address of the web server from PC2, and that was 192.152.2.10. Ping 192.152.2.10. And it says we're getting replies, so it says we have connectivity. Did the ping return a reply? Yes. If so, then PC2 is able to reach the web server via IP address, but not through the domain name. This could be a problem with the DNS server configuration on PC2. So we're going to compare the DNS information on PC2 with other PCs on the local network. So we're going to go to PC1. And we're going to go to the command prompt, and we're going to do the IP config/all command to see what kind of information we have. So we've got 192.168.1.101. And we're on default gateway 192.168.1.1, and the server, DNS server 192.152.5, and we know it's 192.152.2.10. So we're going to go ahead and check the next PC in the and see what we've got here. And again, it's 192.168.1.102 and 191.15.2.5. So it's not 192. We'll go ahead and check our next one. And it's 192.15.2.5. So we see that our DNS server is incorrect on PC2. So we'll go ahead and X out of this. So we're going to use the config tab of PC2 and make sure our DNS server is 192.15.2.5. Now that we've done that, we're going to open up the web server and see if we've got connection. And I have a good feeling we're going to be able to access Cisco Learn. And boom, there you go. So that's how you figure out why you're not getting web connectivity. And I showed you that you can ping it without having web connectivity. Check results. Everything's good. So hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.